First of all, revision of previous video. In last video, we have discussed about right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. So what is meant by right hand thumb rule? This is my right hand. Okay, this is my right hand. This is thumb finger. What about these fingers are called curved fingers? This is thumb finger. This is curved fingers. This thumb finger shows the direction of the current. Thumb finger shows the direction of current. That means if you place the thumb finger like this, current moves in this direction. Okay, if suppose we will place the thumb finger like this, current is moving upward direction. If you place the thumb finger this direction, current is moving downward direction. Okay, downward direction. For example, this is a straight conductor AB. Okay, in this straight conductor, current is flowing A to B. A to B means upward direction. Upward direction. What is the magnetic field direction? So current is moving upward direction. Okay, what about the four curved fingers? Curved fingers are represent the magnetic field direction. Magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. When the magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction, if current is moving upward direction, magnetic field is in anti-clockwise direction. This is the direction of the magnetic field, anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, magnetic field. Next, same conductor, current is flowing B to A. B to A means downward direction. So current is moving downward direction. What about the magnetic field? So current is moving downward direction. This is the downward direction. What about the magnetic field? Magnetic field is clockwise direction. Okay, this is the clockwise direction. Otherwise you can see this is the downward direction. Okay, downward direction. These fingers are represent the magnetic field direction in clockwise direction. So magnetic field is clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, magnetic field. These are the two cases when current is flows upward direction, downward direction. We are already studied in case of straight wire or circular loop. Also discuss. In this video, we are going to discuss about magnetic field in a solenoid. Magnetic field due to a solenoid. Solenoid is also a conductor. In case of solenoid wire, how the magnetic field lines are produced, that we will discuss. Before that, what is meant by solenoid? For the making of solenoid, I am taking the straight wire. This straight conductor is tightly wrapped helical coil of insulated conductor. This is called insulated. This color is called insulator of the conductor. This long wire is tightly wrapped helical coil. This shape is called helical coil of insulated conductor wire is called solenoid. This is the solenoid. What is the definition of the solenoid? A long, tight, wrapped helical coil of insulated wire is called solenoid. Okay, this is a long wire is tightly wrapped. Tightly means like this. Tightly wrapped helical coil. This structure is called helical. Helical coil of insulated conductor is called solenoid. A long, tight wrapped helical coil of insulated conducting wire is called solenoid. Here condition is the wire is must be insulating conducting wire. The wire has must be insulated. Okay. It is in the form of helical structure. Helical means number of turns. It is longly tight. So a straight wire wrapped helical coil of insulated wire is called solenoid. So this is the solenoid. Okay, this is the solenoid. Okay, I understand solenoid. Now, how the magnetic field lines are produced in the solenoid? For this solenoid is connected to a battery. This is the positive terminal of the battery. This is the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, this is the plus, this is the minus. When you switch on the circuit, what is the direction of the current? Current is moving like this direction. This is the direction of the current. So this is the inside direction of the current in a loop. This is the one loop. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops are there. Entering and outing. So this is the direction of the entering into the loop. This is the outing of current. This is the entering direction of the current in a loop. This is the outgoing the direction of the current in a loop. This is the entering, this is the outgoing. This is the entering, this is the outgoing. This is the entering, this is the outgoing. This is the direction of the current in this circuit. Okay. When current is flows in a solenoid, it behaves as a bar magnet. When current is flows in solenoid, when current is flows in solenoid, it behaves as a bar magnet. In case of bar magnet, how the magnetic field lines are produced? Similar way, in case of solenoid also magnetic field lines is produced. So these are the magnetic field directions. These are the magnetic field lines. Okay. For example, I am taking this is the north pole, this is the south pole. If the solenoid behaves as a bar magnet, in case of bar magnet, what is the direction of the magnetic field lines? Inside the bar magnet is south to north direction. So inside the bar magnet is south to north direction. Outside the bar magnet, north to south direction. North to south direction. Okay. Inside the bar magnet, south to north direction. These are the magnetic field lines in case of solenoid. Okay. Here some observations are there. Observations. What is the first observation? The pattern of magnetic field lines is similar to the bar magnet. The pattern of the magnetic field lines means solenoid magnetic field lines are similar to the bar magnet. That is the first point. Second observation is, if this is a bar magnet, so bar magnet has one end is north pole and one end is south pole. So solenoid has also one end is north pole and one end is south pole. That is the second observation. Solenoid, one end of the solenoid is north pole and another end of the solenoid is south pole. Okay. So solenoid has one side is north pole and second side is south pole. Third observation. So what is the direction of the magnetic field lines in solenoid? The direction of magnetic field lines inside is south to north direction and outside is north to south direction. This is the direction of the magnetic field. Inside is south to north direction, outside is north to south direction. Observe the diagram carefully. Inside the solenoid magnetic field lines, this is the inside of the solenoid, magnetic field lines are equal. Equal means uniform. Inside the solenoid magnetic field lines is uniform. What about the outside? Outside is non-uniform. The magnetic field uniform inside of solenoid and non-uniform outside of solenoid. Okay, magnetic field is uniform inside the solenoid and non-uniform is outside the solenoid. How you say that? In this solenoid, here north pole, here south pole. For example, I am taking one loop, any one loop. This is the one loop of the solenoid. Okay. In this loop, current is flowing anti-clockwise direction. This is the direction of the current. Okay, in this loop, for example, current is flowing anti-clockwise direction. So in a loop, current is flowing in anti-clockwise direction. Here develop the north pole. Okay, this is the north pole. Okay, so in case of solenoid, where the current is flowing in any loop where the current is flowing anti-clockwise direction, at that point develops the north pole of the magnetic field. Next I am taking the another loop. In this loop, current is flowing clockwise direction. Okay, current is flowing clockwise direction. Which pole is developed? South pole. Okay, this is the direction. Okay, when current is flowing in a loop anti-clockwise direction, at that point north pole is developed. In any loop current is flowing clockwise direction, at that point south pole is developed. Next, the current flows in anti-clockwise direction then at that point north pole is developed. North pole is developed in solenoid, and current flows clockwise direction. At that point south pole is developed in solenoid. Depending on the current direction, in case of solenoid, one end is developed north pole and one end is developed south pole. These are the observations of the solenoid. What is the first observation? The pattern of magnetic field lines is similar to the bar magnet. In case of the solenoid, magnetic field lines pattern is similar to the magnetic field lines of the bar magnet. Second point is, one end of the solenoid is north pole developed and other end of the solenoid is south pole developed. Why? Because solenoid behaves as a magnet. Magnet has one side is south pole and another side is north pole. Next, the direction of the magnetic field lines in solenoid, inside is south to north direction and outside of the solenoid is north to south direction. Next point, the magnetic field lines are inside the solenoid is uniform magnetic field and outside the solenoid is non-uniform magnetic field. Last point, consider any one loop in the solenoid. In that loop, current is flowing anti-clockwise direction. At that place, in case of solenoid, north pole is developed. Same loop, if suppose current is flowing in clockwise direction, at that place in solenoid, south pole is developed. These are all the observations. Next, interstitial questions, page number 229. First question, consider a circular loop of wire lying in the plane of the table. So we are taking one circular loop of a wire lying in the plane of the table. Okay, this circular loop is placed on the table. Let the current pass through the loop clockwise. In the loop, the current is flowing in clockwise direction. Apply the right hand rule to find the direction of the magnetic field inside and outside of the loop. We are going to find that in this loop what is the direction of the magnetic field inside and outside of the loop. First of all, this is a table. On this table, place a circular loop of wire. This is a circular loop of wire connected to battery. Okay, battery has positive terminal and negative terminal. In this loop, what is the direction of the current? Current is flowing in this loop in clockwise direction. So clockwise direction means this is the direction, positive to negative. This is the positive, this is the negative. This is the clockwise direction. I am considering 2 points on the loop. This is the point A, this is the point B. When current is flowing in this loop, what happened? It surrounded magnetic field lines is developed. So these magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. That's why I am representing in dotted lines. Okay. Now, what is the direction of the magnetic field lines? How you find the magnetic field line direction? With the help of the right hand thumb rule. For example, I am taking this is a one loop. Okay, this is a one loop placing on the table. I am finding magnetic field direction at this point and this point. This is the point A, this is the point P. How to find the magnetic field direction? With the help of the right hand thumb rule. This is the right hand. The thumb finger shows the direction of the current. The curved fingers are shows the direction of the magnetic field lines. Now at this point I am going to find the magnetic field direction. At this point current is upward direction. At point A current is upward direction. At this point current is flowing upward direction. This point I am going to find the magnetic field direction. So current direction is upward direction. So this thumb finger is represented like this. So this thumb finger represents the direction of the current which is upward direction. What about these remaining fingers? These remaining fingers represent the direction of the magnetic field direction in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So current is flowing in upward direction. So magnetic field direction is anti-clockwise. So magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Anti-clock means the magnetic field lines first of all entering into the loop after outcoming from the loop. First of all, entering into the loop after outcoming from the loop. This is the direction of the magnetic field lines. Inside the loop after outgoing from the outside of the loop. What about point B? At point B, current direction is downward direction. Downward direction. Okay. What is the direction of the magnetic field? At this point, at point B, what is the direction of the magnetic field lines? So here current direction is downward direction. This is the current direction. So current is downward direction. What about the four fingers? Four fingers are in clockwise direction. Are you understand? Clockwise direction. So when current is moving downward direction, what about the magnetic fields? Magnetic field lines are in clockwise direction. When current flows in a loop downward direction, the magnetic field lines are clockwise direction. If suppose current is flowing upward direction, what is the magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines are in anti-clockwise direction. If current flows in upward direction, magnetic field lines are anti-clockwise direction. If current moves downward direction, the magnetic field lines are clockwise direction. Here anti-clockwise direction, here clockwise direction. Magnetic field is clockwise direction. Okay. At point P, magnetic field is clockwise direction. So clockwise means this is the direction of the magnetic field. This is the direction. Okay. So this is the direction of the magnetic field clockwise at point B. At point A, anti-clockwise direction. This is the direction, anti-clockwise. So at point B, what is the direction of the magnetic field? Magnetic field lines is clockwise direction. Clockwise means first of all outside the loop. Outside the loop after entering into the loop. Outside the loop after entering into the loop. This is the direction of the magnetic field lines at point B. At point A, what is the direction of the magnetic field lines? Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means first of all outside the loop. It coming from outside the loop after entering. At here clockwise direction. This is the direction of the magnetic field direction. Here clockwise, here anti-clockwise. Okay. The magnetic field lines, emerging from the table outside of the loop. So first of all, the magnetic field lines emerging from outside of the loop, and where the merging from the table inside of loop. This is the direction of the magnetic field. So magnetic field lines are emerging from table outside of the loop and merging from table inside the loop. This is the answer. Second question. The magnetic field in a given region is uniform. Magnetic field in a given region is uniform. Draw a diagram to represent it. So here condition is magnetic field in a given region is uniform. Where the magnetic field lines are in uniform at what region? We are already studied. In case of solenoid, middle part or center of solenoid, magnetic field lines are uniform. At what region? Center of the solenoid. What about the outside of the solenoid? Outside of the solenoid is non-uniform. Center of the solenoid is uniform. Center of solenoid magnetic field lines are uniform. Draw the solenoid diagram. This is the solenoid. What about the magnetic field directions? Inside the solenoid, uniform. These are the magnetic field lines outside of the solenoid. Okay. So solenoid has north pole. One end is north pole and another end is south pole. So in case of solenoid, what is the direction of the magnetic field lines? Inside of the solenoid, magnetic field lines are south to north direction. South to north direction. What is the direction of the magnetic field lines outside of the solenoid? North to south direction. Okay, this is the direction of the magnetic field lines. How you say that this is the direction of the magnetic field lines? Solenoid, when current is passed in the solenoid, it behaves as a magnet. So the magnetic field lines pattern is similar to the bar magnet. That's why in case of bar magnet or in case of solenoid, magnetic field lines are similar. This is the answer. One more point. At the middle part of the solenoid or center of the solenoid, magnetic field lines is uniform. At any part, it is not increases. Magnetic field is not increases, not decreases. It is constant or it is same at any point center of the solenoid. Next question. Choose the correct option. The magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid current is first option is 0, decreases as we move towards its end, increases as we move towards its end, is the same at all points. The magnetic field lines inside a solenoid current is carrying is same and magnetic field lines is also equal. Depending on the flow of the current in the solenoid, the magnetic field lines are developed. Okay. So in case of center of the solenoid, the current flow is maximum. So magnetic field lines are uniform. At center of the solenoid, current is also same. So correct option is D. Is the same at all point. These are all interstitial questions.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.